To reach the apex of your potential and see your dreams become reality, mastering the art of visualization is not just helpful, it's essential. Mel Robbins breaks down this process with her typical incorporation of science and research to back the strategies she advocates. Visualization isn't just wishful thinking. It's a powerful skill, akin to what some may call the law of attraction, manifesting, or spotting signs. At the core of this practice is the reticular activating system (RAS), a bundle of neurons in your brain that acts as a filter. This system decides which information is important and should be noticed, based on the programming you and your past experiences have inputted into it. For example, if you believe that you're not worthy of love, your RAS will unwittingly reinforce this belief by highlighting experiences that affirm this negative perception. Mel Robbins explores how political confirmations biases arise. Because we prefer consuming information that aligns with our beliefs, sustaining our brain's filtering system. The RAS is intended to prevent information overload, a necessity in a world as information dense as ours. So how do you reprogram your RAS? Visualization is the answer. When setting personal goals, be it improving self-worth or achieving financial success, Mel Robbins suggests a science-based visualization method. 1. Close your eyes and picture a very specific scene of what your life will look like when you achieve your goals. Imagine talking confidently, ending toxic relationships, setting boundaries, or succeeding at work. 2. Pair these vivid images with the strong positive emotions you anticipate feeling: joy, pride, gratitude. These mental rehearsals are encoding new neural pathways in your brain, essentially saving these imagined experiences as real memories. The profound science behind this: your brain cannot distinguish between memories from real-life events and the vivid, imagined experiences you create through visualization. This not only improves your mental filter, but also contributes to skill development and an increase in self-efficacy. The simple daily practice of spending in just 30 seconds to visualize achieving your goals can significantly steer your RAS to notice and seize opportunities that align with your aspirations. As you imagine going to the bank with a satisfactory balance, or enjoying the rewards of your hard work, you are solidifying your belief in your ability to make those dreams a reality. Visualization is not just a motivational tool, it's a daily ritual that reconditions your RAS, ensuring your brain is primed to propel you towards your goals. So, embrace the power of visualization and watch as your actions start to align with your aspirations, turning your once distant dreams into attainable achievements.